students. Today we will start a new chapter from the part 2, that is the equation. Okay. In 5th standard you have already studied about the equality. Okay. In the chapter preparation for algebra, that was the last chapter in 5th standard. That you have studied equality, where you have seen the how to equal the equations. Okay, then here suppose if I am writing here 10 minus 2, okay, the n here is equals to 4 into 2. Okay, then if we will subtract 10 minus 2, what we will get? 8, and 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, means here if I am multiplying 4 into 2, then here I am getting 8. By subtracting 2 from 10, again I am getting here 8. Okay, this is called the equality. Okay, or equation. This is called, here it is written, what is given here, just read this. Right, here what is given here, 5 into 3 and 17 minus 2. Then 5 3s are 15 and 17 minus 2 is also 15. Okay, then here we will say that is equality, and this is the sign of equality. Then here what they may be the result of different operation on the left and right hand side, such the equation of equality is called an equation. Here we are getting 8 by subtracting 2 from 10 and by multiplying 2 to 4. Okay, then this is called the equation. Okay, now from this practice set, we will see here different mathematical operations are given in the 2 rows below. Find out the numbers you get in each operation and make equation. Okay, okay, now see here. First we will find the value, means 16 divided by 2. If we will get if we will divide 16 divided by 2, then what we will get? 8. Okay, now in the next one, that is 5 into 2, that is 10. 9 plus 4, that is equals to 13. Okay, 72 divided by 3. 72 divided by 3 is 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Okay, now next one, 8 into 3 is 24. 19 minus 10, that is equals to 9. 10 minus 2, that is equals to 8. 37 minus 27 is 10. 6 plus 7 is 30. Okay, these are the value we will get after solving this. Okay, this operation, mathematical operation. Now what is our question? This we have solved. Now find out the numbers you get in each operation and make the equation. See here, if we will divide 16 divided by 2, then here we are getting 8, right? And here after subtracting 2 from 10, also we are getting 8. Then these are the equation. We can write it as, that is 16 divided by 2 is equals to 10 minus 2. This is the first equation. Now similarly, see here, 5 into 2, that is 10, and 37 minus 27 is also 10. Then we will write here 5 into 2 is equals to 37 minus 27. This you have solved in your 5th standard last chapter. Okay, now next one, that is here after dividing 72 divided by 3, we are getting here 24, and 8 3s are 24. Okay, then this we will write, that is equals to 8 into 3. Okay, now the next one, here that is 19 minus 10, and here, okay, here now the next one, that is 9 plus 4 and 6 plus 7, that is 13. Then here the fourth equation is 9 plus 4 and 6 plus 7. Okay, these are, that is, this we got. Now here 19, okay, I forgot here, that is 4 plus 5. Okay, then 4 plus 5, this means that is equals to 9. Okay, then these two are the operation where we are getting the value same, that is 9. Then the next with that is equation, that is 19 minus 10 and 4 plus 5. Okay, these are the equations. Then here we will write above are the equations. Okay, I mean this is the first equation, this is second, this is third, fourth, fifth. Okay, clear? Now we will see the next concept, that is a solution of an equation. We have seen the what is equation. Okay, now see in your textbook page number 52, just go through it. Here one shop is given, to the right side of the shop one house, and to the left side school is there. Okay, and the distance between the school and the house is given as 300 meter. This full distance is given as 300 meter, and the distance between the shop and the house is 190 meter. You have to find here the distance between the shop and the school. Then how we will find? Then for that we will consider it as x. We will consider, let the distance between the shop and the school be x. Okay, then for this the equation will be x plus 190. X plus 190 is equals to, means when you will add the distance between the shop and the school, distance between the shop and the school and the distance between the shop and the house, you will get the distance between, the total distance between the school and the house. Okay, means x plus 190 is equals to 300. Okay, clear? Now, but we have to find out this value x. Okay, for this what we will do, we will subtract 190 from left hand side. Okay, we will subtract 190. Okay, then when we are subtracting 190 from the left hand side, then the same 190 we will subtract from the right hand side. Okay, 190, here we are subtracting 190, then here 300 minus 190. Okay, we can't subtract from one side, we have to subtract from both the side. Then here in the bracket we will write here, that is subtracting. Okay, here I am writing in notebook. See here, what is our equation? That is x plus 190 is equals to 300. Okay, this is the distance between the school and the shop, x, and 190 is the distance between the shop and the house, and 300 is the total distance between the school and the house. Clear? Now we have to remove this 190, then we will subtract 190 from both the side. Then in the bracket we will write subtracting 190 from both the sides. Okay, now when we are subtracting, then here x will remain same, and 190 minus 190 will become 0, and 300 minus 190 is 110. Then the value of x is 110. But what is our x? That is the distance between the shop and the school. Clear? Now similarly we will solve the remaining equations. Okay, now see here, okay, in the next part, here we have solved by the subtracting 190 from the both the side. Similarly, in the next equations, we will add, we will divide, we will multiply. Okay, now just go through here what is given here. Just read this concept, that is, in the same operation is carried out on both the side of an equation every time the equation remains balanced. When any of the following operations are carried out on an equation, the equation remains balanced. Means whatever you are doing on both the sides, either you are adding or subtracting or multiplying or dividing or exchanging the two sides, the equation will be balanced. Okay, you have to do on both the sides. Okay, clear? You can see. Now, based upon this concept, we will solve the practice set 27. In the first question, what is given here? Rewrite the following using a letter. Okay, rewrite the equation following using a letter. What is given here? The sum of the certain number and 3. Sum means you know that is addition. And the certain number, when the certain number is coming, then we will consider it as x. Okay, then here we will consider in practice 27, if certain number or any number is coming, then that time we will write it as x or y, whatever you can take. Okay, you can take any alphabet. Then here, what is the first question? Rewrite using a letter. Letter means here you have to select a alphabet of your choice. Okay, then what is the first one? The sum of the certain number. Certain number means we don't know the number. Okay, then here we will consider, let the certain number be x. Okay, here I am taking x, you can take a, b, m, whatever. Okay, then sum of the certain number, that is certain number is x plus 3. Okay, this is our first. Okay, now the second one, the difference obtained by subtracting 11 from the another number. What is the concept? That is difference obtained by subtracting 11 from the another number. Here we will consider, let the another number be, here I am taking y. Okay, then what is a question? Subtracting 11 from the another number means another number from, we are subtracting 11 from the another number, and another number is y. Clear? Now the third one, the product of 15 and the another number. Product means multiplication. So here we will consider, let the another number be m. I am taking here m. Okay, then product means multiplication, then m into 15. Product of 15 and another number, then you can write here 15 into m or m into 15. Okay, then the fourth one, that is 4 times a number is 24. It is given here 4 times a number. Then here we will consider, let the number be n. Here I am taking n. 4 times a number means 4 into n is equals to, here value is given. In the first 3 one, value is not given. Okay, values are not given, but here it is given, that is 24. Okay, clear? Now we have to in the next one, here we have to do the operation. Okay, then this all are same. Then this part we will do in the next video. Here we will subtract, add, multiply and divide. Okay, that we will see in the next video, so that we will complete in next video this chapter. Okay, till that you practice this part. Okay, and in the next next video we will solve more sums. Clear? Bye.